So in today's video we will know about what is semantic HTML and why is it important. So let's explain. Semantic HTML refers to the use of HTML tags that convey meaning and structure beyond mere presentation. Unlike generic tags like div or span, semantic tags like header, article, section, footer and nav define the role of the content within the page. This makes the structure of the page more understandable both to web browser and search engine. Semantic HTML is important because 1. Improves accessibility. Assistive technologies such as screen readers can be better interpret and navigate of content, enhancing the web experience for users with disabilities. 2. Enhances SEO. Search engine like Google can better understand the content of your website, improving its searchability and ranking. 3. Maintains code readability. Semantic tags makes the code easier to read and maintain, allowing developers to understand the purpose of different parts of the document at a glance. Using semantic HTML is a best practice in modern web development for building well-structured, accessible and SEO-friendly website. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video,